Hello, everyone, and thank you for watching. It's At Home Shape Up with Erica. So let's get started. The first thing I do is make sure I comb all my curls together. Yes, they are curls. Stop playing. Make sure I comb them all together because if you cut into waves, you're probably going to cut a nice little gash in your hair. And I start right on the hairline, and that guard that I have on there, that is a number one guard. I'm starting off just taking off a little bit. Normally, I like my hair really, really close, but because this is for you, I'm just showing you how to do it. So I just started on the hairline right there, and I did that small section. And when I see that that's a good amount of hair that I want off, I move to the nape area of my neck, and I am going down. I'm not digging the teeth of the clippers into my scalp. I'm just slightly gliding it over the hairs, and it's taking off just what's necessary. So moving in a downward motion, I try to stay in the same area until I see that I've gotten enough hair off. I think the hair was itching my neck. That's what that movement was. And then I start going up into the hair because I want to take more off. So while I'm doing this, I'm not digging the comb into my scalp. It is gliding over it, and I get up in my little knowledge knot in there because that part that it gets a little curly too. So still going up, and I'm just gonna follow along the occipital bone. That's what that's called. Straight across that area, continually going up, and I'm gonna go all the way up until I get to like almost at the parted section. I'm not gonna go completely up. So before I continue, I'm gonna comb down my curls so I can see how much more that I have to cut off. And the comb that I'm using is called an all-purpose comb because you can use it for combing your hair in a shape up, if you have short hair, detangling your hair, and for haircuts. So I'm going to go up into the hair, still with the same guard. It's a number one because I want to make sure that I take off enough hair. I have not shaped up my hair or had it shaped up since before the quarantine. So we have a good little bit of hair growing in there, so it's taken me a little while, but I'm getting it. If I had not edited a lot of this out, whoo, we would have been here for a while. So as you can see, I've taken off quite a bit in the area right there. My knowledge knot, it looks like it was a little dark because again, my curls, they grow in that part pretty thick. So combing it down so I can continually see how much more I have to cut off. But as you can see, it's coming along. It's looking pretty good. So I just move on with the guard, still on, number one, going up into my hair, making sure that I'm going in like a combing motion this time because I just want to make sure that the hair gets in the guard and the guard cuts off enough of what I want gone. So after I do this, and I'm gonna comb it through again, I am actually going to take the guard off after I finish this part because like I said before, I like my hair pretty close. So the guard, having the guard on, I feel like sometimes it doesn't cut enough off. So after I do that, the guard is still on. I'm gonna go down into the hair that is left and try to get that to come off. So for you, I would suggest you just go down and keep brushing it or combing it. Just keep going down and it will take off enough. And you want to start off with a guard, maybe like a number two or a three, depending upon how much hair that you have. But if your hair is closely shaven like mine, then a number two should do you really good. And if you want to take off more, then you grab a number one and you can go down into it. So I'm looking at it. She's not there yet because it's still curly right there. So we just gonna go down in that and get those curls. My curls is 4C curls. You know, I did my ancestry and I got my curls from a part of the Congo. Um, my hair is 93.6% from the Congo. So My curls are tight. Yes, they are. Mm-hmm. Get a nice wave. So still going down, taking my time, trimming it off. And you know what? Be mindful of your angles. You might want to practice this a bit because I didn't just start off shaping up my own hair. When I did, it was bad. Like when I said about not digging the teeth of the trimmers in, yeah, holding the trimmers and looking in the mirror, it was something else. So it did take a little while. So I suggest that you watch more than one video, or watch this one more than once, so that you can get used to looking behind you and um, getting the right angle. So I'm staying away from the part because I don't have my glasses on and it's a bit of a blur. But I can see this part. Now, here I've taken the guard off because I want to get it closer. And I'm not going all the way down. I'm just really taking the trimmers and skimming it across the top of the hair, if you know what I mean. It's not laying on my scalp. I just want to cut it down some and not take it all the way down. So it's the angle. I'm good at seeing the angles. I'm pretty good at that now. But again, in the beginning, it was extremely difficult. So you just want to make sure that you practice at your angles. This is probably extremely advanced for a lot of you, but it's not impossible. I can't stress enough how you pretty much need to practice at everything, especially looking in the mirror and trying to do your hair. And the only reason that I want to help you out with this right now is because we're still quarantined and I am practicing social distancing. And although I would love to work, I don't want to be the one that puts anyone's health at risk. I mean, after all, is it really worth it? So again, I'm not. I'm abiding by this stay at home mandate from the governor. So I'm still going down just over the grazing. I don't want to say grazing, but just going over the hairs lightly so I can just take some more of that darkness away. And this will get me by because I like to wear my hair in a ponytail, but since it has not been cut since probably the week before we stopped working, I have not had it up. So I'm excited now that I'll even be able to wear up in my ponytail. So just taking my time. Now I'm using my left hand, and this was definitely challenging when I first began shaping up my own head. It was going all kind of funky ways. So I just had to ultimately cut it closer than I would normally wear it. And this was years ago. Now I like it really close because it grows so fast and I don't really have to worry about having to get it shaped up too soon. Normally my nephew, he does it for me. But I figured this was an opportunity to, help somebody out at home. So now I'm just trying to get some long hairs out of the way, comb through that darkness. And you want to make sure that you comb your hair down really good. You don't want to cut into your waves because you can really cut a big chunk of hair out. Now, right here, this isn't for you. I'm just showing you how I shape myself up. I like it a little clean around the front, not really an extremely sharp line, but clean enough to know that I've been shaped up and my cut is really good. So I'm going to go all the way around except for the nape area. I don't like my neckline squared or rounded. I just like it natural looking. When my nephew cuts it for me, he fades it out. But when I do it, this is pretty much how it's done. sometimes I will cut my hair with no guard at all so I can get it really close, and that'll last me about 3 weeks because whew, this stuff grows really fast. It does, and it curls up nicely. I know some of you are thinking, Erica, that look just nappy. Nappy is a state of mind, and mine is in the state of curl. So, and here I'm just cleaning up the sides, making sure that I get behind my ear all the way around, looking at it, checking it out. I was going to try to hold it down with my knuckles because these quarantine nails, my gosh, I'm going to soak these off real soon. So that'll be that. I'm just about done. Want to check it out a little more. It's not like I'm going many places, but I do like it to look neat. So if you attempt this, never mind. Let's just delete that out of our memory. Don't try to shape yourself up. I'm not even going to encourage that. So why did I show you? Mm. But this is what I do for me, and it took me a while. This took me a while to learn, but I figured that with the clippers and a guard, you could get yourself a decent enough shape up to last you until we see each other again. Right? Right? I think you can. So I'm just checking it out, making sure that she's good and even, as even as I could get it, because I had no glasses on and it was a bit blurry. But I did all right, and I'm happy that it's done. So now I can wear my ponytails. Ah, here we go. So, good luck. Take your time if you try it, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below.